Voice contains powerful physiological and psychological signals. But until now, most companies didn't have the data, models, or infrastructure to unlock them. Voice biomarkers are already transforming industries by enabling real-time insights from natural speech in very easy way. Powered by one of the world's largest validated voice biomarker databases, VoiceBiota delivers 50-plus biomarkers from natural speech in seconds. Build powerful applications in just a few simple steps. Use the AI Code Helper and experience one of the world's most advanced AI-powered design studios. Whether you're developing solutions for digital health monitoring, insurance risk analysis, gaming performance, and much more. VoiceBiota makes it incredibly simple to integrate voice biomarker intelligence into any application. Instead of building complex AI infrastructure, VoiceBiota provides a ready-to-use API platform that analyzes voice and returns biomarker insights in seconds. And getting started takes minutes, not months. VoiceBiota API Hub provides 3 simple ways to integrate voice biomarkers into your product. The fastest way to start, simply deploy ready-to-use biomarker widgets. Describe the application you want to build. Our AI Code Companion automatically generates for developers who want full flexibility. Use our REST APIs and SDKs to integrate voice biomarker analysis directly into your own systems. Once integrated, VoiceBiota can run across any digital channel. Embed voice biomarker intelligence into mobile apps, digital health platforms, call center systems, WhatsApp workflows, voice assistants like Alexa. One voice layer, endless possibilities. VoiceBiota API Hub enables organizations to transform everyday voice interactions into powerful insights. Start building with VoiceBiota today.